Yeah, hello everyone. Good morning. Myself Muralidhar Reddy. I'm a DevOps consultant and solution architect. Now we are going to discussing about what is cloud computing, types of cloud computing is available. Let's say one by one so that you will get some idea. Okay. And coming to that, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services such as servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and more. We can connect over the internet in the cloud. And this particular cloud computing, it is enables to access users to access and utilize these resources on demand rather than maintaining physical hardware or infrastructure locally. It means like you don't require to maintain physical servers. Whenever we required, we can create and we can use on demand and we can pay whatever we used it. Okay, there are a lot of benefits using cloud computing. One is scalability. We can scale up and scale down based on demand. Let's take example. You can take AWS. AWS, we have a EC2 instance. If you want to create, you can create a EC2 instance with a specific CPU and memory. And then if you want, you can decrease that particular CPU memory. And also if you want, you can delete as well. And we can use, scale up and scale down on demand. We don't require to maintain any physical servers. Okay. And the cost efficiency, we can pay as you go. It means like whatever I use, right? We use it, we have to pay for the particular one. Example, you have used one EC2 instance in AWS. Okay. You used only for 1 hour. It means you have to pay only 1 hour charges. You don't require to pay anything, and also it is reducing the upfront cost as well. Okay. And flexibility, it means like we can connect to the particular AWS resources. The particular resources we can connect from anywhere over the internet. Okay, over the internet we can connect from anywhere. Okay, and reliability as well, and it will be provide uptime and redundancy. Example, if we take AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, right? Provide often offer high uptime and redundancy as well. And security wise also, cloud providers invest a robust security measures as well. It means like security wise also it should be good. It is good only. So we don't want to worry much on that one. Okay. And there are different types of cloud computing. One is public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. First, we can discuss about public cloud. Let's take example. If you use the public cloud, right? Resources are owned and operated by third-party providers. Example, AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. Okay, we can connect over the internet. Example, if you take AWS, right? If you want, you can create one EC2 server and we can connect over the internet. Okay, we don't require to maintain any physical servers. Public cloud is nothing but we can connect over the internet. We can create our whatever required one. Example, you can take AWS, you can take Azure, you can take GCP as well. Okay, in AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, we can deploy our application. We can access over the internet as well. Okay, understand that? Fine. Next one is private cloud. Private cloud is nothing but few of the organizations they maintain their own cloud provider. It means like physical servers. Okay, dedicated resources it will be maintaining. Example, let's take example. We have one organization. In the particular organization, right? They will be maintain their own data centers. They don't want to store any data in over the internet. It means public cloud. They wanted to maintain their own in-house. It means like dedicated data. Inside the data center only they wanted to create a servers and storage also. They wanted to store it. They will be using this private cloud as well. Example, majorly banking domains they will be maintaining. They will be stored their data in on-prem only. They don't want to be on-prem is nothing but private cloud. Okay, they don't want to be stored the data in cloud. Okay, VMware, vSphere, and also OpenStack as well. There are multiple things as available, and the majority of the organizations are using cloud only. But few of the organizations, especially banking domains, right, they will be maintain their own private cloud only. They will be store their all the data in their data center only instead of storing in cloud. Okay, fine. And next one is hybrid cloud as well. Hybrid cloud is nothing but both public and private cloud. We can call it as a hybrid cloud. Some of the organizations, right, they may maintain database related in on-prem. On-prem is nothing but private cloud, and the servers they create in cloud only. Okay, public cloud, they will be create either AWS Azure, they can maintain, they can access between both. Okay, remember guys, hybrid cloud also majority of the organizations are using, but still again I'm telling, banking domains, 99% of the banking domains, right, they don't store any data in cloud. They will be maintaining their own data centers, even though I mean they have to be, they will be maintaining the dedicated resources in their data center. Okay, understand that? These are the three major things. And the majority of the organizations, if they use the public cloud, right, the most trending clouds are AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. But in these three, right, majorly the majority of the organizations are using AWS only. And sometimes, right, they may ask question, what is the difference between hybrid cloud, public, private, hybrid cloud? Public cloud is nothing but, we can call it as a, if you want to be connected over the internet, we can create. If we don't want to maintain any physical servers, if they wanted to access over the internet, we can use the public cloud, example AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Okay, hybrid private cloud is nothing but data centers. Some of the organizations, they may maintain their own data centers. They don't want to store any data, sensitive data in over the internet. It means public cloud. Okay, hybrid cloud is nothing but some of the organization, they may use both public and private cloud. So it means like the data, whatever database it is, they will be stored in hybrid cloud. I mean, it means like private cloud, and the servers, they will be creating public cloud and they will be maintaining. We can call it as a hybrid cloud as well. Okay, understand that? This is the theory part of cloud computing, and we majorly focusing on AWS, right? We will be choose that public cloud is AWS, and we will be inside the AWS, we have a multiple services available. We can discuss more on that one. Okay, understand that? Any questions? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn, Instagram, and also we have Telegram group. You can join there. And also we have a Tech Call with Murli website. I already published all the DevOps related courses. If anyone planning to enroll the course, you can use DevOps 50 coupon code to get 50% discount. And also we have a Tech Call with Murli YouTube channel. You can subscribe there to get more updates. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video. Yeah, hello everyone. Good morning. Myself Muralidhar Reddy. I'm a DevOps consultant and solution architect. Now we are going to discussing about types of cloud services. Okay, we can discuss about types of cloud services. There are different types of cloud services available. Okay, one is infrastructure as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Third one is software as a service. Now we can discuss one by one in detail so that you will get some idea what exactly which cloud service, the particular service available. What is the usage of IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Okay, fine. Now coming to the infrastructure as a service. Okay, this particular infrastructure as a service, the users with access to virtualized compute resources such as servers, storages, networking, which can be used to build and deploy their own applications and services. And using this infrastructure as a service, right, a user needs to be responsible for managing and maintaining the softwares and also applications they deployed on the infrastructure provided by the infrastructure as a service provider. Remember guys, if I use the IaaS, right, and we have to user responsibility to manage and maintain the software, everything. If you want to deploy any application, you have to be deploy everything, you have to be managing everything. Okay, and coming to the example, right, if you take the example AWS, right, AWS EC2 is a infrastructure as a service, and Amazon S3, okay, elastic block storage, and also we can see it AWS VPC. Okay, these all are like infrastructure as a service. Again, I'm telling, infrastructure as a service, our user responsibility to manage and maintain the softwares, and also if you want to deploy any application, whatever you deployed applications, right, everything you need to be taking care. Okay, I will show you the diagram so that you will get some idea what provider will be taking care, what user needs to be taking care, so that you will get some idea. Okay, and coming to here, right, networking, storage, servers and virtualization, everything needs to be taken care by, it will be taken care by vendor. Vendor is nothing but example AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. This networking for storage, servers, virtualization, everything will be taken care. inside the particular virtualization, right? If you want to be create any EC2 server, operating system, middleware, and runtime is nothing but example Java, Node.js, all are runtime, okay? And data, if you deploy any data, and also applications, everything we need to be taking care. We need means client needs to be taking care. Again, I'm telling infrastructure as a service, this networking part, storage, servers, and virtualization will be taken care by AWS. Example vendor is AWS. And coming to that operating system, what type of operating system, middleware, runtime, and data application, everything needs to be taken care. Client needs to be taking care. Understand that? Infrastructure as a service. And coming to that platform as a service uses with platform for building and deploying their own application without having to worry about the infrastructure, managing the underlying infrastructure. We don't want to worry about that infrastructure. Just we need to deploy the application, and we need to build and deploy the application. We need to manage that one. Okay, understand that? This particular pass, right? We can call it as a pass, platform as a service. Typically offer free configure software tools and application APIs. Okay, that makes easier for developers and build and test and deploy their application. We don't want to worry about infrastructure. Everything will be back and taking care. Just we need to taking care by our needs to be write the build. Write the code and build the test and deploy their application in using the platform as a service. There are multiple platform as a service available in AWS. One is Elastic Beanstalk. In Beanstalk, right, we don't want to worry about that infrastructure. Everything will be taken care by AWS. And also we have a AWS Lambda as well. Okay. And also we have Amazon API gateway. These are the major three platform as a services. Remember, guys, in real time, right, it depends on use cases. We may use Beanstalk and Lambda API gateway as well. Okay, understand, right? I will show you that. And also we have a ECS as well. ECS also we have a Fargate, everything we have. Okay. And these are platform as a service. Okay, understand it? And I will show you the diagram so that you will get some idea. Here, networking, storage, servers, okay, virtualization, and also operating system, middleware, okay, runtime, everything will be taken care by vendor. Only what we need to take in care, client needs to take in care. One is data, and whatever you deployed application, right? These two needs to be taken care. Platform as a service, these all are taken care. Until runtime, everything will be taken care by vendor. Vendor is nothing but here, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, all are, we can call it as a vendors. Okay. Only thing we need to take in care, application and data, we need to be managing it. Okay, understand that? Platform as a service. And coming to the final one is software as a service. This particular software as a service, right? It is fully managed software applications and services that are hosted by the third-party provider. Example like AWS, right? AWS, we have a multiple software as a services available. This particular software as a service, right? We can use it either browser, web browser, or mobile. We can able to use it, and just we will be managing. User responsible for managing the updating the software. Remember, guys, example we have Amazon Workspaces. We have a Amazon Chain. We have a Amazon Work Docs. Okay. And also we have a Amazon Work Mail. Remember, not only AWS, if you take example, Outlook, it is a software as a service. Just we'll be use it and we'll be paid for that one. We don't want to worry about infrastructure, underlying infrastructure. We don't want to worry about what type of operating system using, everything. Everything will be taken care by. Just we will be pay the amount and we will be use it. Example, Teams as well, WebEx, everything will be software as a services. Okay, understand, right? Fine. I will show you that diagram so that you will get some idea. Here we have a networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime. If you have any runtime data, and also application, everything will be managing by vendor only. Vendor is nothing but here AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, all are vendors only. Okay, understand that? These are the major differentiation. One is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and also software as a service. Depends on use cases, right? We will be use infrastructure as a service as well, because we always create the EC2 instances. Okay, and also we'll be use the software as a service as well, especially for AWS workspaces. Okay, and also we'll be the platform as a service as well for that one, right? Lambda function, and also API gateway, and also sometimes we'll be use the Beanstalk as well. Okay, understand that? These are the major differentiation. Any questions? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn, Instagram, Telegram, and also we have a Tech Call with Murli Telegram channel as well. You can join there to get more updates. And also we have a Tech Call with Murli YouTube channel and also website we have. I already published all the DevOps related courses. If anyone planning to enroll the DevOps related courses, you can use DevOps 50 coupon code to get 50% discount for 1 year plan. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video. Yeah, hello everyone. Good morning. Myself Muralidhar Reddy. I'm a DevOps consultant and solution architect. Now we are going to discussing about what is AWS. AWS is nothing but Amazon Web Service. Using this AWS, it will be providing. AWS is a cloud computing platform provided by Amazon. Remember, guys, like in this particular AWS, it will be provide wide range of services, including computing, storage, databases, machine learning, and analytics, and more. Remember, almost 200 plus services it will be providing. It is providing AWS. So in our case, right, as a DevOps engineer, as a cloud engineer, we have to be know at least over 15 to 20 services. We will be discussing everything in detail in our course. Okay, fine. And there are a lot of advantages of using AWS. One is global reach. It means like in AWS, we have a regions and available zones concept. Okay, there are different types of 20 plus regions available. Each region contains multiple available zones. Our global infrastructure is available. Okay, extensive global infrastructure. And also next thing is scalability. We can scale up and scale down based on our requirement. Let's take example. If you want to create any server, Windows server or Linux server, we can create a server and we can use it. If you don't require it, we can delete that particular one. So if you want to increase that specific type, instance type, resource type, everything, we can easy to scale up and scale down immediately. And if you want, you can decrease as well. Okay. And the next cost effective, we can pay as you go model only. It means like whatever you use, right? You will be pay specific for that one. Example, you have created one EC2 instance. You use it only for 1 hour. It means you have to pay only 1 hour charges. You don't require to pay upfront cost. Okay. Understand that? Reduces the upfront cost. And security wise also, this AWS is more maintaining more security measures as well and compliance certifications. And next innovations, it means like in AWS, they are providing new services, also implementing continuous updates and introduction of new services in terms of patching wise, in terms of security wise, everything. There are a lot of advantages of using AWS. And coming to the disadvantages, one is cost management. Let's take example, you have created one EC2 instance. Okay, let's take example, you want to use only 1 hour, but you forgot to terminate the particular server. What will happen, right? If you're not terminate that particular server, right, it will keep on chargeable. Okay, that's why potential cost to escalate with a proper mounting. If you are not mounting properly, right, it will keep on increasing our bill. Okay. Next, data transfer fees as well, like from one region to another region. If any data transferring, right, it will be chargeable. Okay, it will be over the internet or within the region. Everything it will be extra chargeable compared to normal on-prem. Okay, and there are, as I said, right, AWS global infrastructure. It will be contains like regions and available zones. Region is nothing but like a geographical location where AWS data centers are clustered. It means like each region, it contains the multiple available zones. Okay, let's take example. If we take the North Virginia, we have 6 available zones. If we take Oregon region, we have, I think, 4 available zones. It depends on selected your region. It contains the multiple available zones. Remember one thing, each available zone, in single region, it contains the multiple available zones. Each available zones are coming as communication happen. It means like, let's take example, single region, we have 3 available zones. 3 available zones are communication. By default, it should be communicate all the available zones within the same region. Okay, understand that? And let's see that global infrastructure so that you will get some idea. For that one, right, go to the Google and you can search it here like AWS global infrastructure. Here you can see that one, right? Click this one. Here you can see the total 34 regions available, 108 available zones available, 600 plus CloudFront POPs available, Okay, and also 13 regional edge catches available. Okay, and also you can see that here local 41 local zones and 29 wavelength zones, 245 countries and everything. Okay, and also you can see it here like we have two things, regions and coming soon regions as well. Okay, if let's take example here, you can see the red color is the newly coming Germany coming soon. One new region is coming, Mexico. Okay, there are a lot of, I mean, Thailand, everything. Okay, it is coming already existing 20, I think 34, right? 34 regions available, and each region contains the multiple available zones. Remember, guys, there are a lot of available zones available, but in our case, right, depends on use cases. Let's take example. Your project, I mean, your product is in US based product. So then our infrastructure, everything will be created either North Virginia, Oregon region, California, depends on region will be created. Example, you have already logged into the AWS account. If you see here, here we have almost 20 plus, 30 plus regions available. You can see it North Virginia, Ohio, California, Oregon region, Mumbai, India. India is a Mumbai region, Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo. There are multiple regions also available. Depends on use cases, guys. Depends on project to project. They may use North Virginia, they may use California region. Okay, each region it contains the multiple available zones. Okay, understand that? Any questions now? Any questions? No, right? And one thing you have to remember, majorly in real time, will be used either North Virginia, Oregon region, Ohio, if any California, and also sometimes if it is Australia, Sydney region, will be used. It depends on your project to project. I mean, you can tell either we used North Virginia, whether we used Oregon region, anything is fine. And coming to the Mumbai, India, Mumbai region, Hyderabad region, they may not be used much because most of the projects are US based projects, right? We'll be maintaining in specific US related regions only. Okay, understand, right? I hope understand, right? These are the, I mean, AWS, what is the AWS advantage, disadvantages, and also global infrastructure. What are the options available? What are the regions available, zones available? How many regions available? How many available zones available? Everything we discuss in detail, we can discuss later sometime. So don't worry. And also I will show you like how do we create a AWS accounts as well, so that you will get some idea. Okay. Still, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn, Instagram, Telegram, and also we have a Tech World with Murli website. I already published all the DevOps related courses. You can have a look, and if you are planning to enroll the DevOps any DevOps related course, you can use DevOps 50 coupon code to get 50% discount for 1 year plan. Okay, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video. Yeah. Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Muralidhar Reddy. I'm a DevOps consultant and solution architect. Now we are going to discussing about creation of AWS account. Let's say the demo so that you will get some idea. For that one, right, go to the Google and you can type it here, AWS Management Console. Okay, here you can click this particular aws.amazon.com. Okay, and here you can see it here, right? Here we have option complete sign up. Click this one. Okay, now here you have an option like create a AWS account. Okay, click this one. And then here you have to provide your mail ID and you have to provide that particular name, everything. Okay, I will show you that screenshot so that you will get some idea, and then you can try from yourself to create that AWS account. Okay, first it will ask your mail ID and name. Remember, guys, name you can give that either your PAN card, either your driving license, exact name you can provide. The reason I'm saying, right, sometimes in AWS team, they wanted to verify your identity. So the name should be matched. That is the reason. Please provide the proper name here. Example, you have a mail ID and our name is Mole Muralidhar Reddy. And then click the verify email address. Once you click this verify email address, you will get the mail, the particular OTP. That OTP needs to be verified here. Example OTP will be like this. Okay, take this particular OTP and you have to enter that particular OTP and then verify. Once you done right, you have to set up your username, password. I mean, you have to set up the password for particular AWS account. We already given that mail ID, right? Now we have to provide that user password. Okay, once you done right, you can click the continue step 1 and then click here. Here it will ask that particular type, whether you want to create a business purpose or whether you are going to create a personal uses. Remember guys, if you are creating personal use, select the personal one and you can give the name and you can give the mobile number, country, whether you are from India, other country, how to give it, and then you can give the address as well, city, okay, state and postal code, everything you can provide here, and then click select this particular I have read and agree the terms of the AWS customer agreement, and then click the continue step 2 so that it will be redirected to payment related one. I mean, you have to provide you can use either credit card or debit card, and then you can provide that Visa, either Visa or MasterCard or American Express. Remember guys, like if you are from India, I mean, it will be deducted 2 rupees for validation purpose. If you are from other than India, it will be up to $1. It will be deducted, and again it will be credit again back to your account just for validation purpose. They will be deducted. Okay, and here you have to give that either credit or debit card, and you can give the expiration date and the particular name. Okay, and also CVV number, billing address. Do you have PAN card or not? If you have any PAN card, you can provide for tax purpose. Okay, but you don't require to provide any PAN card here. Just click verify and continue. Okay, again, understand, right? Here, once you provide this one, and you can click the verify and continue, and here it will be redirected to payment gateway. Here, if you observe here, I'm from India, that's why it is detecting 2 rupees. And here you have to enter your OTP. Here you have to enter your OTP. Once you enter OTP and click the submit button, it will be redirected to identity, confirm your identity. Here we have two options. One is SMS and second one is voice call. Select the SMS and select the country code. I'm from India, that's why the country code number is 91. And then here you have to give the mobile number, and then you can give that security check and then send the SMS. Once you click this SMS, right, whatever you give the number, right, mobile number, it will send the OTP. Okay, once you send the OTP, you have to enter here OTP, the 4 digits OTP, you have to enter here and then continue. Step 4. Okay, once you click the continue, right, now it will be redirected to plans, support plan. Here you have to remember one thing. For practice purpose, we'll be choose this basic support. But in real time, right, majorly we'll be use the business support in case some issue happen, right? If let's take example, you have created EC2 instance, AWS. So there was some issue with AWS EC2. Okay, in case if you require a support, we can directly raise the ticket with AWS team so that they can help us. Okay, understand, right? That's why we'll be always choose the business support. But in our case, for practice purpose, we are creating AWS account, right? That's why you can select the basic support only. Okay, then click the complete sign up. Once click the complete sign up, right, it will be coming like this. Congratulations. And then you can click the go to AWS console. Click this particular AWS console option, and then it will be redirect to this one. Here you have to select the role is, you can select the students because you are creating for practice purpose, right? That's why you can select the student. And then I'm interested, whether you are interested in DevOps, cloud, whatever, machine learning, you can select the DevOps so that, and then you can click the submit button. Okay, clear, right? Once you submit this one, right, then it will be redirected. I mean, you have to log in that particular account. For that one, right, whatever you created, I mean, you have provided your mail ID and password, you have to give it and you have to log in. And one more thing you have to remember, once your AWS account is ready, you will get the notification, you will get the mail like this, your AWS account is ready, get started now. Okay, now what you have to do, right, go to here, and here you have option sign in to existing AWS account, click this one. Okay, and here you have a option whether you want to connect with the IAM user or whether you want to connect with the root user email. Select this root user email. Here you have to give your mail ID. Okay, this is our mail ID, and then click the next button. Okay, and then here you have to give the password. Okay, so which password? AWS account password. Okay, you can give it here, and then now it is redirecting to here, and then just skip for now. Okay, now if you observe here, now I'm able to log into the AWS accounts once I created. Remember guys, once you create a AWS accounts, right, it may take 4 hours to 24 hours. You have to wait until you get this mail. Okay, your AWS account is ready. Get started now. It means your account is fully activated. So until you have to wait for a couple of minutes or couple of hours. Okay, clear, right? And here once you log in, right here, as I said, right, we have a North Virginia. This is the region. There are multiple regions. We have almost 20 plus regions available. And here, if it is North Virginia or your Oregon region, depends on which region you are going to create a specific AWS resources. You have to select and you have to work on that one. Okay, understand that this is the process of creating AWS account. Any questions now? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn, Instagram, Telegram, and also you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and also we have a Tech Only with Murli website. I already published all the DevOps related courses. You can have a look and you can enroll. If you are planning to enroll 1 year plan, you can use DevOps 50 coupon code to get 50% discount. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.